welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can check MCB Bank balance. So step number 1 is to launch and log in. So we just have to open the MCB Mobile Banking application, often called MCB Live. So from there, just enter your credentials like your user ID and password, or you can also use biometric authentication like fingerprint or Face ID to securely access your dashboard. Step number 2 is to view dashboard summary. So immediately upon logging in, the application usually shows your dashboard or account summary. So your balance for the primary account is often displayed here, sometimes masked for privacy. Step number 3 is to reveal your full balance. So if the balance is masked, shows a asterisk like this, you just have to tap on the eye icon next to it to reveal the account, the actual amount, and this is a security feature to prevent shoulder surfing. Step number 4 is to access account details. So if you need more than the summary, like for example, the ledger balance versus available balance, then you have to tap on the account itself to go to the detailed view. So this page confirms that the balance and lets you check the recent transactions. Lastly is to alternate or the USSD/SMS. So if the mobile application is unavailable, you can use MCB's USSD or the SMS banking service if you are enrolled. So you just have to dial the designated short code, often 2255, or similar from your registered mobile number, and select the balance inquiry option. So just a tip, the mobile app is the fastest and the most detailed method. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!